Hello everyone, I'm Sophie from PowerUser. Today, this video will focus on theme management, also known as templates. A theme is like the visual DNA of your company or brand. It includes your colors, fonts, layouts, brand assets, as well as styles for tables, charts, and other elements specific to your visual identity. At PowerUser, we see everyday organizations that have defined a theme but are actually still struggling to maintain brand consistency. This is because some employees use outdated templates versions, start from a blank page, or adapt the template their own way. As a result, presentations, spreadsheets, and documents lack consistency. Formatting must be corrected manually. Visuals do not always follow the company's brand guidelines, and brand identity becomes difficult to control across the organization. Imagine the time your teams could save if every employee always started from the right template, approved, up-to-date, and fully aligned with the company's visual identity. This is exactly where PowerUser comes in. With PowerUser's theme feature, everyone in your organization automatically uses the right template, colors, fonts, formats, and other brand elements. Let's see some practical cases, starting with PowerPoint. With PowerUser, your teams can access the latest company templates directly from PowerPoint. No need to search through shared folders or reuse outdated presentations. Organization stays fully in control. They choose the available templates, define the default presentation, and instantly roll out any updates to every user. The result? Everyone works with the right template every time. The same principle applies to Excel. With PowerUser, every new Excel workbook automatically uses your organization's colors, fonts, and styles. Charts, tables, and other elements are formatted correctly from the moment they are created without any manual adjustments. The result? Consistent, professional, and presentation-ready workbooks across the entire organization. PowerUser themes are also available in Word, helping organizations standardize the documents created by their employees. Employees can access your organization's approved Word templates directly from the application. Whether they are creating a contract, proposal, letter, or any other document, they always start with the right format. Headings, paragraphs, bullet points, footers, and other styles are centrally defined and automatically applied. The result? Consistent, professional, and brand-compliant documents across the entire organization. PowerUser is the all-in-one theme management solution. It puts your brand identity on autopilot across PowerPoint, Excel, and Word. With the right themes in place, your teams can focus less on formatting and more on creating impactful content. Each user saves an average of 20 minutes per presentation by eliminating template searches and manual reformatting. Multiply that saving by the number of employees and presentations produced, and the ROI becomes immediate and undeniable. Feel free to contact us for a live demo.